Well, good morning, everybody. Today is Friday. Yes, December 13th, Friday the 13th, 2024. This is Tim the Trader, live trading room. Glad you're here. Let me get rid of the legal stuff here. Let me admit a few people in. Great. So this is yesterday's trades and yesterday's charts. We really had that really muddy beginning in that first trade, which we lost, but we came back really nicely for plus 60 yesterday. And I've started including this on the charts, just using 10 contracts as a sample size to kind of keep track of totals for the week, and up 2.275 so far this week. So we've had a great week. But the best part of all of this, is that Keith Frampton is back. So we're glad to have him back and glad he's here because we have missed you, Keith.
Well,
And
I've missed you guys too.
well, we are grateful you're back and back safely. And we'll call on Keith here in a minute and let some people in. So Q closed at 526.97 and looks like it's way up to 531.20. Looks like we have a gap play this morning. So let's see where we'll call the gap fill and trigger at 528.96. 528.96. And let's head up to there. Okay, let's head over to the option chain. We've got over a million. We've got 1.1 million already traded in pre-market. Uh, we are trading, let's see here. Today's the 13th, so we are trading the 16th. So we're going to be trading Monday's expiration. And you can see that the option premiums are a little lopsided this morning, but we will start at or near the money, 530 on the call side, 531 on the put side of things. Now, with that, let's say hello to Mr. Keith Frampton. Good morning, Keith.
Good morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, glad to be back, although it's cold up here compared to the way it was in Florida. So, anyway, rude awakening last night. Anyway, boy, had a number of announcements this week that I missed in trading. But this morning we had the export price and import price numbers coming out. And all of them actually beat a little higher than the estimates coming in. And obviously, the market liked that and came up a little bit more after that report came out. No other announcements today, though. So, no bond auctions, no other announcements today. So, um, hopefully, it's not going to be a sleepy day here today on trading, but that's where we are there. And and I think that's all I got to say right now, except I really missed you guys, missed the trading too.
Well, we absolutely missed you, and we're glad you're back. I've said that about 5 times now, so it must be real. Um, Good thing, good deal. I hope your visit was good with mom. And okay, so let's make sure we have 20 cents between each of our hash marks on all of our charts. So we're looking at the same size candles every day. And we've got about 30 seconds before we start.
Hey, morning, Tim.
Good morning. Okay. I think we're pre-market indices are all up. All right. Going in about 10 seconds. Stand by. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we are in. Let's make it a nice, strong Friday. Nice, good close to the week. Get my seat adjusted here. Let's get rid of this up there. And we are getting a little bit of a push up. So on the call side, I will be at the 529 on the call side. And let's see what the broader markets are doing. Well over a million already. So Dow is up 44, Nas is up 105, S&P is up 20. So fairly strong positive market that we're starting out with. We're up to VWAP, trying to get through VWAP. Let's see here. Lost my 100,000 line here. I'm going to add that in real quick. Let in Mr. Darius into the room. Come on. System's being a little sluggish this morning.
Are you in a trade, Tim?
No, not yet, but let me get rid of this here. And we're going to go to, anyway, I'm going to the 529 on the call side. Stand by. All right. I'll get back to my $100,000 line. My system was running a little sluggish this morning. Do I have something else open I need to close? No. Already over 2 million in the underlying volume. We are getting some reversal now. See if it overcomes this little reversal, then we'll look at getting back into that call trade. All right, 529 on the call side. Stand by. It's just having a little problem coming out of this range right here.
Boy, got a lot of volume for not much price movement.
Yeah,
I'm gonna wait.
just wants to break free here, but keeps getting beaten back. So cap the in. I'm going to move to the 530 on the call side. 530 on the call side. All right, we are continuing up. 530 on the call side. There's some reversal setting in. Let's hold on.
I didn't do any trading Tuesday through Thursday this week, but I have been studying more on Ann Cooling's book and
Oh,
trying to trying to memorize all that and get it all in my head.
yeah, it's a lot.
It is.
We had a good lesson Wednesday.
Oh, okay, good. I'll have to go on and look at that.
Yeah. All right, tried to reverse there, couldn't get very far. 30 on the call side. Stand by on this trade. I'm going to go ahead and enter this, or try to. And I am in. Oh, things are just being sluggish today. In at 269. Up to 282. Stand by to take profit. I'm going to go ahead and take some profit here. There we go. Out at 281, 269 to 281.
Good, good.
265 to 281.
Good job.
I put a pseudo demand zone at the bottom of that first 5-minute candle.
Okay. Good idea.
2.9 million underlying traded so far, so it's a reasonable volume here so far this morning.
Mm-hmm.
Dow's up 106, NASDAQ's up 121, and S&P's up 22.
Hi, Keith. How was your trip?
It was good. Thank you, Kathy. It was good. It challenging, but it was good.
Oh,
So anyway, glad to be back home, but glad I got down there.
yeah.
Yeah. All right, got a bit of a reversal. Trying to set up here after that. Nice little push at the end. Got out right at the right time on that trade. So let's go over to the put side. I'm going to go over to the 533 on the put side. Stand by.
What is the number? Put side, Keith?
533 on the put side and 530 on the call side.
I think I'm going to do the 532 if I get in on this on the put side.
While we wait for that. All right, we may be heading back to the call side. I'll be at the 5:30 on the call side. If this should break out again. Wow, it's taken off. So I'll be at the 5:30 on the call side. Yeah, I should have already entered this. Let's see if we get a reversal off of this. Wow, this thing is just taken off.
I'm going to go ahead and do the 531 on the call.
Are you? Okay.
Got in at 289.
All right. And I'm going to jump into this. There we go. In at 295. It's up to 307, 310. All right. I'm going to jump out of this. At 315, 295 to 315.
289 to 314.
All right.
Keith, are you still there?
I just got out. So 289 to 319, 30 cents.
Nice.
Nice.
We missed you, Keith.
Yeah.
If you have just joined us, a couple of people have just joined us. We've got two trades in, both positive.
I wish I could get my first trade back so I can sell now.
Yeah, I hear you. All right, I'm going to go immediately over to the put side. probably go to the 535 on the put side if this should start turning. We know how these really fast swing highs can turn and drop very quickly with profit taking.
I'll look at the 534 on the put side if I get in.
All right, stand by.
$534 or $535?
Yes, your choice. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pull the trigger on this, guys. And filled at 329.
Really? What strike are you at?
The 535. What did I say?
You said
329.
maybe
Yeah.
239 or something?
No, 330, 329. That's what I got.
329. Okay, that makes sense.
We just got a doji, right?
Yeah. Yep. And it's, of course, reversing on that doji.
Yeah, but MACD is really high too. All right, I'm going to try to get in on this on the 534 on the put side. Okay, got in for 253.
Okay. Ride this all the way down, folks.
I'm going to do a supply zone up at the top there, the last couple candles.
Oh, yeah. There we go. So we're in a bit of a distribution phase right now, according to VPA. This is where most traders, retail traders, are buying. And the market maker is going to probably whip price back and forth a little bit before it starts dropping. Boy, we've got great volume already at 4,700,000.
Yeah. Well, those 1 minute volume candles have been pretty strong this morning.
Yeah, yeah. Wow, my system's being sluggish today. I got rid of all the old drawings.
$265 to $285.
Oh,
It just kicked up.
okay.
327 to 350.
Oh, nice. Way to go, guys. All right, I'm going to take some profit here. 329 to 357.
Fantastic.
Yeah. So 28 cents. To 357. So 3 trades plus 60. I'm going to look at possibly getting back into this at the 534 on the put side. We are seeing some push up on these long bottom side wicks. We've got a hanging man here. That's a possible sign of reversal that this is maybe slowing down. Up to 5,100,000. And we've got 3 minutes till the pop.
Keith, are you still in?
I am.
Nice. You will get $1.
Now, we actually studied this pattern on Wednesday. It's called a stopping pattern. Oh, nice. Just got a text 159 to 184 on the 532 puts. Wow. Nice job. Heading back up through the supply zone. This is just the market maker whipping price back and forth, taking out traders, taking out stops.
Hey, Keith.
Yes.
I mean, sorry. Well, yeah, Keith too, and Tim. Yesterday's trading, it grew hair on my chest. It had me on
That's
the
so
edge of my
true.
seat.
Yeah. Yeah, we did a lot of scalping yesterday. There was a lot of on the edge of your seat yesterday. But we had a great day. I mean, we've had great
Yeah,
days all week.
it was fun.
Yeah. Yeah, if you like that sort of torture.
Definitely not low-hanging fruit, huh?
No, it wasn't. We really worked hard yesterday for our money. But we
Sounds like
got there. We did a lot of scalping.
Monday was that same way.
Yeah.
And here's the pop.
Boom. There we go. All right, I'm going to keep an eye on the 534 on the put side, guys. Maybe getting back into a put trade here. We'll see if this can break loose here, which I think it will. Stand by. Actually, I may wait for a turnaround for a reversal. We're getting into some wave action here now. So we could do some scalping. See this wave action that's beginning to form.
Tim, was there any concern getting into the put with Q's up so high, up over 200 today? Did that concern you at all or no?
No, not really.
Do we wait for a reversal, Tim, on the call side?
Do we what? Sorry.
Wait for the reversal?
Yes.
Okay.
So what I'm kind of waiting for here, guys, is to see if this put is going to break away to the downside, or if we are going into waves now, in which case we'll do some scalping.
I was hoping it was get down to VWAP there.
Yeah, and I think it will eventually. Because you can see we're getting into lower lows, lower highs, lower lows as well. Seeing some volume drop off a bit here. And see that last candle, guys, with long wicks on either side, short body is a sign of indecision in the market.
And the one to the left of it, the green one, and the next one, the red one with the wick pointing down.
Mm-hmm.
What is that? What is that?
Okay, that shows resistance to continuing down. See, because market maker moved price down and it got pushed back up, and then the 502 minute went green and up a little bit, and then it went into indecision. So just trading in a very narrow range here, but this is going down, continuing to go down. So I'm going to go to the 534 on the put side. And see where this reversal goes, if it goes anywhere. All right. Stand by on this 534 on the put side. All right, I'm going to enter the 534. And I am in at 305. Now this should get down to VWAP before it bounces.
And I have my close order down right around VWAP.
Yep. All right, stand by. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get out. And out at 325. So 20 cents, 305 to 325.
304 to 325.
Beats me again. Dread.
Just a penny. Just a penny. Team.
I just got out of mine. 253 to 329.
Nice. Nice.
That's good. I don't have that guts to stay like this.
All right. So up 80 cents this morning. Nice trading. 4 trades. And let's see what happens here. We may have another opportunity for a put trade here.
I only got 76 cents on that last one.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah.
It's getting a week's worth of trades in one trade. All right, I am going to the 533 on the put side, 533. So obviously it did not bounce at VWAP. So our next bounce point will be at the demand zone. It's a pseudo demand zone, but it's still a zone. Get some charts in view here. Sorry. Getting pretty, well, no, not too low on our MACD. 5 minute has not crossed yet, but it was way, way high. Okay, back up to VWAP, doing a little bounce off of VWAP. Let's see where our broader indices are. So Dow is down 7, NAS is up 91, S&P's up 11. Back up through VWAP. So I'm going to head back over to the call side to the 530 on the call side. Getting some really nice price movement this morning.
Yes, sir.
Good volume. You can see the reversal flag that happened at 10:07. It actually is a reversal flag. You can see that volume was way up. Price came down and then was pushed back up. And then the very next minute was still high volume relatively. Started pushing up. It first initially went down on the 508 candle all the way down there. And that was it. All right. So 530 on the call side. Stand by.
I'm looking at the 531 on the call.
Jim, did you buy anything right now?
We're looking at the 530 and the 531 on the call side, Rita.
Oh, okay, thanks.
And I'm going to go ahead and enter this. And I am filled at 309.
I'm filled at 246 on mine on the 531.
Go, Forrest, go. Run, Forrest, run. All right, stand by for some profit taking. All right, I'm going to go ahead and jump out of this trade. There we go at 334, 309 to 334.
244 to 268.
Wow. So that brings me up to 105. Great Friday.
Good day today. Good day.
Good day. Good day. Now, this probably should go all the way up the supply zone, and I just got spooked and got out of it.
Getting ready to get out here if it gets up about 3 more cents.
Keith, I'm out, so then it will go up.
Okay. All right. Appreciate that.
We go back, should we go back in?
No, because it's wow.
And I just got 30 cents on that, 246 to 276.
Nice.
I missed you guys this week. Oh my goodness.
As Tim said, yesterday was a challenge.
I'm up $1.36 today.
Nice.
Nice.
And actually, if you throw my second account, which I did one trade in, I'm up over $2 today.
Nice.
Is that all, Keith?
Yeah, I know. Slacking off. You're probably going to be disappointed, Tim, but I think I may be done trading today.
I don't blame you. I'm up 380 this week.
Who you are? So what am I?
So price did as we thought it would, came right up to the supply zone, bouncing off the supply zone. So let's head back to the put side. I'm going to go to the 534 on the put side.
So the 2 days trading I've had this week, I'm up $2.45
Nice.
without having to struggle through your yesterday's scalping trade.
Even with the scalping yesterday, I was up 113.
Fantastic.
I was shocked.
Yeah. Well, we had 7 trades yesterday, just one negative trade, and up nicely from all those scalps. I mean, they're smaller profits, but they are profits, and
Yeah,
they do add up.
At least that's the way Monday was.
Mm-hmm.
Had that one loss on Monday, but everything else was positive. Up 48 cents on Monday.
Mm-hmm.
And I know a number of you didn't get in that first loss one on Monday. So yeah, you were up probably over $1 on Monday. Good.
Yeah, I think Kathy was at $1.50 on Monday.
Isn't a doji supposed to be a sign for reversal?
Yes. Yes, but that's not quite a doji.
Oh, what is exactly a doji?
So a doji will be white. Doji
Oh.
is the price starts and ends at exactly the same price. But that's very close to a doji. I mean, it's 1 cent away from a doji.
Well, Tim, I would say, I put that pseudo demand zone in, but I could probably do it on the last couple of 5 minute
Yeah.
candles, move it
Yeah.
up.
Let's move that up.
Well, it's interesting to look at the volume candles there and actually see the distribution zones and the supply zones this morning on that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we're up 6,900,000, about to hit 7 million, which is better than we've had most of the week. Better volume, that is.
Oh, it's falling now.
Yeah. Let's see what our broader markets are doing. So we got 7 million in. Dow is down by 38. NAS is up by 81. S&P's up by 7.
From looking at this trend, this wave, it looks like it's trending down.
It is. Yeah. Yeah. Slowly trending down. And again, on that last minute, 10:19, you can see the volume came in and immediately followed was a reversal flag or candle. Not flag, but candle.
Tim, I'll be back in a minute.
All righty. Back up to VWAP and reversing back down. Have a new possible demand zone here. See how this finishes up in a couple of minutes. This candle finishes up in a couple of minutes. Dow down 26, Nas up 78, S&P up 7.25. Okay, we've got a new demand zone. So I am going to duplicate this one. Let's activate one of these rectangles, bring it down to here. Duplicate the price level, bring it down. Wow, getting some dropping, some sell-off going on now. And we're going to turn this one gray. Come on, you sluggish machine. And we'll turn this price level gray. All right, I'm going to head back over to the put side. Probably go to the 533 on the put side.
Mhm.
And I'm going to enter this 533. There we go. In at 326. All right, stand by to get out of this. Let's go ahead and get out of this.
Yeah, I would have thought, Tim, I would have thought we were in an accumulation phase there in the last 5 minutes or so.
Yeah. Yeah.
I should have said something before you got into that.
Come on down.
Might be all right.
Yeah. Wasn't able to get out at the top, so still in this thing.
You may just want to limit your gains or try to get out for break even on this.
Yeah.
Definitely a little bit of wave action going this morning.
Yeah, definitely. Come on down just a little more. So we're in a little over an hour. We've got 8,200,000 in on the underlying. And Dow's down 15, Nas up 63, S&P's up 6. There we go. All right, go ahead and getting out of this. and out at 338, 326 to 338.
316 to 339.
Had to sweat through that one a little bit. Plus 12. So plus 117.
How much did you get on that one, Tim?
12 cents.
Oh, good.
Yeah. So that may be my last trade.
I got out in the, other one. So I
Uh-huh.
took 280, sorry, 326 to, I sold it for 287.
Ah,
So then you said that to just get out. So I just got out at 287. I picked up again 316 to 339.
wow. Very nice. And we've got a new supply zone down here. We're just going to activate this one, move it down. We're definitely in a long-term sell-off, sure, or a slow sell-off here. Get that down a little further. There we go.
Are you calling it a day, Tim?
We'll keep on, but I'm not sure I'm going to be doing any more trades. I'm up 117, and I don't want to give anything back.
Okay, all right.
I would agree.
Yeah, I gave some.
All trades were positive today.
Yeah. Yeah.
We've had some nice volume, but it is starting to come down just a little bit, which it tends to do on Fridays also.
Yeah. But wow, it's dropping now. Holy smokes.
Why'd you get out of that put, Tim?
I know, right?
That's the thing I'm saying.
I'd have had $1 on it now.
Yeah. Getting ready to fill the gap there, Tim.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
528.96. Wow.
wow.
Wow, something's going on.
Would this come back up, Tim?
It may, yeah. Typically, sharp dives like this or sharp rises like this usually have pretty significant reversals that happen.
Yeah, you see a bump in the volume as well.
Mm-hmm.
It's crossing the fill the gap.
Here we go. I wouldn't chase this just yet. Because these have sudden reversals that happen in it.
And MACD's getting pretty darn low
Yeah.
on both the 5 and the 1 minute.
Let's see. I think we're in. Yep, everything's negative now. Dow's down 60, Nas down, well, it was down 4. It just reversed back up to positive. S&P down 6.
Well, looking up at the 5-minute chart, we can move that supply zone down or demand zone down a little bit too.
Well, I've got it moved down to the lowest agreement point.
Oh, do you? Okay.
Yeah.
I was behind the 8 ball. I didn't do it there. Okay.
Yeah. Let me see.
I'm not certain, Tim, but I think I'd probably call this an accumulation phase.
Yes. Yeah, I think so. Definitely. Now, in the accumulation phase, as we've discovered, whoops, get back there. In VPA, market makers should whip price back and forth a bit before either returning to pushing up price again. But you want to wait for this period to be over, not necessarily jump into a call right now. Because what the market maker is doing now has been buying on the way down, and then the buying climax happens down here as the market maker is accumulating positions on a wholesale level.
I think I'll call it a day.
Okay.
I'm not giving anything back.
No, don't give anything back, Israel.
After the way they treated me these last few weeks. Have a good day, guys. Have a good weekend, all. Everyone, have a good weekend.
All right. Thank you, Israel. You
Thank you.
you
Thank
too,
you.
buddy.
You too, Israel.
Thank you, Kathy.
It's a much better day from yesterday when I
Yes.
called. I'll do that again.
Hey guys, excuse me for a minute or so. I'll be right back.
Yep.
Okay, I'm back. Boy, price is rebounding.
Hey, Tim, did you discuss the January meeting yesterday? I thought I caught part of it, but I didn't hear everything.
Uh, Not really, other than the dates are January 30th and 31st. And we've got some good speakers, and we're it'll be the culmination of our volume price analysis discussion will happen there as well, as we kind of represent it in a way that will be more understandable. Keith and I will be talking about that. So we've got some good folks coming, and be 31st. It'll be in Alpharetta, Georgia, and more details on that will be forthcoming.
So I'm going to book my flight then.
Go ahead and book your flight.
Thanks.
Hey guys, have a great weekend. I'm headed out too.
Okay, have a great weekend. We'll see you Monday.
All right. Yep. Have a good one.
Team, I'll book my flight also. Dracula to Alpharetta.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go get in at the Dracula International
Yeah.
Airport. So we have some nice waves going on here. If you're still trading, you want to wait for these to reverse a little bit and then get into it. But this is a market maker at the climax of the accumulation phase, is whipping price back and forth, pulling or knocking traders out of limit trades and triggering stop losses.
That beast.
Yeah, exactly. Mean old market makers. So guys, we'll probably go just a couple of more minutes. If I go to 10:55, we'll probably call it a morning. You can see how volume has picked up here since 10:40. Also giving us kind of a clue that we're in an accumulation phase for the market maker. All right, guys, I think we're going to go ahead and just call it a little early this morning. We've done incredibly well this week. We're way up nicely, so this is a good point to go ahead and sign off for today. You guys have a great weekend, and we will see you Monday. And again, thank you for supporting the room and being here trading with us. We appreciate it. Keith, thank you. Glad you're back again, buddy. And
Yep.
we will talk. If we don't talk this weekend, I'll see you
Yeah.
Monday.
Yeah, if there's something I need to be caught up with, give me a shout.
Will do. Will do. All right, everybody. Have a great weekend.
All right. Yeah, you too.
Thanks, Tim. You too.
Good weekend, everybody.
Have a good weekend.